Okay, here we are.
How's everybody doing tonight?
Good.
We are the.
I heard somebody.
We heard somebody. Somebody likes us. Can I get that in writing?
Well, we have this cute little song. It's probably, some might think it's cute. Anyway, we have rights to this one, and it's a blues song.
Because we are all about keeping the blues alive. The blues will never die.
Amen.
That's right.
I feel like I'm in church. Well, I am a reverend.
Well, this
right?
song isn't really a church song, but we're going to get there.
They call me the Righteous Reverend D.W.
this
Mudbone
was
Johnson
written a while
Jr.
ago.
And my mission in life is to preach the gospel of the blues. And here's our song called Liquid Plumber Blues. Hope you like it. And it goes something like this.
It's very serious.
Well, the saints back it up. There's water all over the floor. Girl, I've been through 14 sponge mops. I can't take this anymore. But I love you, baby. I just don't know what to do. You know this house is driving me crazy. I got the liquid plumber blues. Well, I went to work this morning. You were mopping up the floor. I peeked around the corner, saw a man coming to the door. I know it wasn't the plumber, was too early for him to be seen. And I know it wasn't your best friend giving samples of Mr. Clean. But I love you, baby. I just don't know what to do. You know this house is driving me crazy. I got the liquid plumber blues. Well, I called you on the telephone. It was right at the end of lunch hour. You said,
Baby, on the way home, won't you pick me up some pine power? I've got this nasty stain to clean up, and you know where it came from. And don't forget to pick me up a 2-liter bottle of rum.
but I love you, baby. I just don't know what to do. You know this house is driving me crazy. I got them liquid plumber blues. Well, I came right home this evening, and I saw the place wasn't clean. There was dishes stacked on top of the stove, and the rats and the roaches looked mean. I went into the bedroom, and I couldn't behold the sight. I saw you with the plumber You know this house is driving me crazy. I got them liquid plumber blues.
Yeah.
I like it when she does that.
Thank you.